Hey guys, it's TonyskalYT here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use TobyskillTTV's free version. This works for mobile, PC, and requires no downloads, so let's get started. First, what you're going to need is Administrator. Administrator can either be given by other administrators or the owner of the server. You do not directly need an administrator. You can try and trick somebody else into adding the bot, which is always an option. But from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give my alt account the administrator role. So now I have administrator, so then I have permission to nuke the server using my bot. So what I'm going to do is head over to this add a server button, click on join server, and we're going to type in TobySkill. This is the invite link for my server. So now that we are here, we have 4 questions which we are required to answer. Number 1, why are you here? You're here from a YouTube video. Are you interested in nuking? Yes. Would you like assistance if you're unsure what to do? You should click no, but if you do need assistance, then we have an AI support chatbot which you can talk to, which will guide you through all the steps. But for this, you should be set, so just click on no. And then, are you interested in chatting with the server full of fellow nukers? If you are interested, then we have a custom coded bot, which is super cool, and we have a ton of cool people. So if you are interested, then click yes, otherwise click no. Alright, so now we have access to the server and it's optimized for us. We're going to head over to bot invite, and we are going to click on any one of these links. All the bots are completely the same. You must be in the main server, and you must have administrator in the target server, which we gave administrator to already. So what we're going to do is just click on one of those links, and click on add a server, and we're going to select the server that we want to nuke, which will be nuke review. And we're going to have to make sure that this administrator check is marked off, and we're just going to verify that we're human. And we're going to go to the server. So now that we are here, we have the TobyskillTTV security bot in the server, which is our nuke bot. So now there's only one step from here. All we have to do is say 𝑥142111.5 with dashes in a text channel. If you don't have a text channel, you can create one by right-clicking, create a new channel, or if you're on mobile, then you could just duplicate a channel, I guess, and give permission to chat in it. Alright, so now that we're here, all you have to do is go to the chat box and type in 𝑥142111.5. This is the code that we use to nuke. But actually, we are not done yet. If you want to optimize the nuking ability of the bot, what we're going to do is go to roles right here, into here, and select Tobyskill Security, and move this up as high as you can. So this will delete all of the roles above it, and it will ban every member that it can, every single member that's below it. So now that's set, you can go back and actually send 𝑥142111.5, and this will initiate the nuke and delete all emojis and roles. Alright, but we are set, so let's go. As you can see, this is Discord's just lagging. Alright, so that is the nuke over. We have all of these nuked channels, and we have over 1,000 pings. If we go back, then we have no emojis. All the emojis and all the roles below TobyskillTTV security got deleted. So that is a quick review of TobyskillTTV security and how to correctly use it. If you have any questions, please contact me through my Discord right here. And if you want, you could also join the chat server and chat with me. If you guys would like to support this project, everything comes out of my pocket. I've spent like over 7 months working on this, learning JavaScript to keep the spot up. and I pay for the hosting. It's pretty expensive because we got really good hosting. So if you would like to support, it would be highly appreciated, and my PayPal is on screen right now. Anyways, this has been TonyskalYT, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.